Hi friends, in this video I would be showing three methods to switch Google TV account. Method 1, go to top left corner and here you can see switch accounts. See, here you can see three accounts. From here we can set one account and switch to that particular account. Done. This is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, from top right corner set switch account. See, from here also we can change. Let me go to method 3. Method 3, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Here we can see the accounts Anna, John and Kid 1. From here also we can change. Select one account, select switch account. Done. So these are the three methods. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.